if you are having the same problem, your door is not opening or closing, so you are on the right video. I'll show you how to diagnose, do your repair of this sliding door. Let's start with the diagnose first. So you see, in this van we have this three sliders. One is here and the other is down there, and the third one is here in this thing. So let's start. All you have to see is that wheel, it's good, it's rolling, and the track is clear, and same down there. You see this track, you have to look around the track, everything looks normal. This thing is okay, it looks good. And the third one, which is inside here, you don't have much space to look around. All you can do, one thing, just grab your door and pull this door in and out. You see this play? This is not normal, so definitely the problem is here. So I'll show you the other side door. This door is working fine. So if you pull this side door, you see there is very less movement as compared to that one here. So let me close this. Yeah, let me show you again. So you see how much play is here. So we need to open up this track here. So it got one screw that side and one screw that side. So to open up this one, we'll let go this side first. So we'll take out our tail light. So one screw is under there, and the other side screw you can see, okay, this one. So let's start with the tail light one. So you see we have two screws and one pin. I'll show you later on. Flip this cover and take that thing out. Okay, so screws are out. I'll show you this side now. So you have one pin which locks this tail light here, so we need to pull that pin out. So I have this too, so take something which is so you see this is the pin here which goes in here and lock that light. So you have to be very gentle, otherwise it will break. So here you go, this is the screw. We have to take this little screw out first. So we have to take this this flip cover very gently out, because we don't want to scratch. So I pulled little lot forward to take this, to unlock this thing. Now close your door and roll your window down. After this, when you open your door will go half the way, and there you can perform your task. We'll be taking this thing out. So we have 1, 2, Yeah, 1-2 screws, and then we'll take this thing out. So I had a sport underneath my door because I am taking this thing out, so door will be hanging after that. So you need to have one sport underneath. So let's take this thing out. Okay, this thing is out now, so just be careful with this thing. You don't want to scratch your car under here, so I'll put this cover, and now we'll take this thing out. So I moved my door a little bit that side so that we can pull this thing out. So you see this thing is connected with these two wires, so you have to take these wires out. So I have this tool, I'm gonna use this, so be gentle with this wire. Okay, so this came out, so we'll release this cable. So okay, so you see the other wheel is broken from here, that's why it's giving a problem. We need to take this pin out and we'll change this part. Okay, this is the pin, we have to take this out. So let's try. Okay, we made it. Okay, so I have taken this thing out of this, so I'll put this thing in now. And we're gonna lock this thing with this pin. Made it ready by putting that pin and putting lock in. And one more thing, that the springs you see, that has to be inside like this. We have to put that wires in here like these one, like it goes into this like and goes out, and same for the other one. So I have quite a bit difference, so I have to stretch it a little bit, and you have to be very gentle with this. We don't want to broke this thing. So whatever tool you are using, do it easy. I guess I can do it easy way. Okay, I'm done with that, putting that wire in. So watch for this, you don't scratch your car. And the main thing, you see this point, this wire has to be in this thing, so otherwise there will be a problem. So now I'm gonna slide my door here on this thing. Now tight your screws on the door and take out the sport underneath your door. Thereafter give it a try, close your door and open your door to make sure it's working well. Okay, so we're gonna put this cover back on here, So this thing has this holes. So the lock goes in here, and then when you slide back, it get locks here. So as you putting in, just watch you don't scratch your this slide. Done.
वो पति पत्नी मम्मी करती है ऐसे।
So done with that. तू खुश हो रही है?
खुश हो रही है आपने?
टाइम होता है।
हाँ, सुनो ना, एकादशी के आपने छोड़ दिया ना?
यही टाइम नहीं मारता मैं।
अपना काम ही नहीं भैया, इस तरह से अपने काम ही नहीं कर सकते। इतना बड़ा कि हम
भाई हर बंदा को पता होता है मैं कितना कर सकता हूँ, कितना नहीं कर। चाबी लगा के इसको ऊपर चढ़ा दे डोर।
डोर का शीशे से कहाँ से ऑन करना है इसको? यहाँ से ऑन करना?
हाँ नहीं है।
अच्छा
खराब हो गया काम।